Welcome. Today we are excited to install a new group of officers who have been elected to lead our National Beta Club this year. This group was selected because they are true leaders in our school. They were elected by their peers by nominating candidates and voting electronically. Each student elected to their position brings a different personality and skill set to the table. Working together, they'll be able to blend their talents and make a difference. Officers, as your name is called, please come forward.
Catherine, you were elected as president by your peers. The president has the most visibility in meetings, and his or her leadership sets the tone for the rest of the club activities. As president, you will preside over meetings, appoint committees, and cooperate with your fellow sponsors, school administration, and fellow members to make plans that will both educate your members and serve the community. Do you accept these duties?
I pledge my best efforts to this role.
Amy, you were elected as vice president by your peers. The vice president must be ready to serve in the president's role if he or she is absent. You will work with the president, your sponsor, school administration, and fellow members to make plans that will both educate your members and serve the community. Do you accept these duties?
I pledge my best efforts to this role.
Layton, you are elected as secretary by your peers. The secretary must pay close attention and take detailed notes on club activities. You must also organize and deliver information from past meetings so that your members stay up to date on all club activities. Do you accept these duties?
I pledge my best efforts to this role.
Bailey, you were elected as treasurer by your peers. The treasurer is the officer responsible for staying aware of club finances. It is your duty to keep an accurate record of the club's bank account and provide reports regularly during meetings. You may do this in cooperation with your beta sponsors and school administration. Do you accept these duties?
I pledge my best efforts to this role.
Hannah, you were elected as a reporter by your peers. It is the reporter's duty to let your school and community know what the club is doing. You may write articles for the newspaper, school website, and social media. Do you accept these duties?
I pledge my best efforts to this role.
Savannah, you were elected as historian by your peers. It is the historian's duty to create a record of the activities performed by this club throughout the year. This may be completed as a physical or digital memory book or album. You may work closely with the reporter to gather these items. Do you accept these duties?
I pledge my best efforts to this role.
Wendy, you were elected as chaplain by your peers. It is the chaplain's duty to provide words of encouragement, motivation, and maintain a positive attitude. You will work closely with your fellow officers and sponsor to ensure that the focus of your club remains true to the National Beta motto, let us lead by serving others. Do you accept these duties?
I pledge my best efforts to this role.
Congratulations, officers. I know you will serve your Beta Club well this year. I urge you to remain true to the pillars and principles of Beta. As leaders of this club, you are in a unique position to make a difference not only among your fellow members, but among your school as well.